I think he's sold out. See, look, they got all these.
I like the other one.
Fatso is so cool though, isn't he?
Fatso's really good.
Oh, here's the other one. They do have them all.
Those are all really good. They're
$35
big.
there. Maybe we have to get Fatso. What is going on YouTube? So yesterday I went to Walmart and they have that bloody disgusting section, and now they have the trick or treat killer clowns from outer space figures. They had all three of them. I think there's three of them, but they have three of them. They had Slim, Fatso, and whatever the other one is called. The other obvious one. I mean, I want to get them all, but I didn't really want to spend like, they're $35 each. So I didn't really want to spend 105 plus tax dollars on killer clowns. So I mean, usually I'll keep them in the packaging, but this is the only, I think it's the only Fatso they had, or they had two, I can't remember. I mean, I'll put the video at the beginning anyway, but it's already a bit trashed. So I'm gonna open this one. People are going, no, dude, keep it in the packaging. So it's kind of a weird picture on the back. I'll try and show all this stuff with the light. There he is, Fatso. Okay, we are gonna get him out. Oh, he's so cool. I'll show you that. Fatso at the beginning, at the bottom. I mean, $35. I mean, he's a big fat chunky baby. But yeah, he's a pretty big boy. Is he stuck in there? No, he's not stuck in there. Come on, mate. Don't be shy. Is he? He is. He is indeed. Okay. Here he is. There he is. And I mean, I don't know how kids do things these days, because like every time you buy a figure now, it's like an absolute nightmare. He's pretty light. Absolute nightmare to get him out of the box. And even the gun. His little gun was tied in there as well. But there's the his little blaster. You gonna put that in your hand? This hand, I'm guessing. Look at that, he's so cool. And his legs don't move. Does his head move? His head don't move. Basically, his arms go up and down. But let me show you a little. Oh, they go out a bit as well. So they go out and up and down. Okay, let me try and do like a little. Close up here. Look at that. Them big old feet. That was my belly. 2023. But yeah, he's definitely my favourite killer clown, I think. Give us a 12, mate. Give us a 12. Okay, guys. Thanks for watching. And I will see you on the next one. See you later from Fatso.